Let's be real. The only thing that's standing between you and the life that you desperately want, it's not time, it's not money. It's not even the lack of experience. It's hesitation. And if you're a burned out parent listening right now, that hesitation is costing you something a lot more valuable than just money. It's costing you memories. It's costing you time. It's costing you energy. It is costing you your life. Today, I'm going to be walking you through real hesitations that parents just like you have when it comes to starting an online business. And I'm going to show you exactly why every single one of those hesitations are holding you hostage. By the end of this video, you will see exactly why hesitation is keeping you broke, burned out, and exhausted, and how you can finally step into a better way. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angie, and back last August, I was a burnout, exhausted mom who needed more time with her kids. I was desperately clinging to that dream as a little girl of being that stay-at-home mom and being fully present and being the best version of myself for my kids. But when working full-time and trying to juggle life and everything else around it, it got to be way too much where I wasn't even physically living, I was just surviving. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can feel like you belong somewhere. I am here to help you and guide you and educate you on what the digital space has to offer. Now let's dive in. Here's what I hear from parents every single day. What if I fail? What if I don't understand tech? What if this is a scam? What if I don't have the time for this? What if I'm not cut out for this? Sound familiar? Now let's break down every single one of those. What if I fail? Listen, you're already exhausted from working 40, 50, even 60 hours a week. You're missing bedtime, you're missing soccer games, you're missing your family's meals every single day. You already feel like you're failing at home just trying to keep up at work. So why is failing at a business scarier than the failure that you're already living? Failure in digital marketing isn't permanent. It's part of the process, but staying where you are, that failure is guaranteed. What if I don't understand the tech? Here's the thing. If you already can scroll on TikTok, if you can already scroll on Facebook, if you can already send a few emails, you already know all the basics. You don't need to know coding, and you definitely don't have to be a tech wizard. The systems are automated for you and already done for you. And honestly, the platforms are already designed for people that have zero tech skills. This is my favorite, but what if it's a scam? I get it. You've seen the spammy DMs. You've seen the shady make 10K in 10 days promises. But let me ask you this. Isn't your 9 to 5 already kind of a scam? Trading your life away for someone else's dream just to be living paycheck to paycheck? The difference is this is about learning new skills, marketing, automation, and sales psychology. These are the skills that companies pay millions for. What if I don't have the time? Time, the thing that parents never have, right? But let's be honest, you already spend hours scrolling social media. You're already staying up late with Netflix running in the background, wishing life felt different. What if just 2 of those hours went back into building something that is going to give you your life back? And the last one is, what if I'm not cut out for this? That's a really big one. Parents tell me all the time, I'm not business minded. I definitely have zero confidence. I'm just a regular mom or dad trying to survive. No one's gonna listen to me. And here's the truth. Digital marketing isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing. You don't need to be some huge influencer. You don't have to be loud or salesy. You just have to be coachable and willing to learn. Here's what I want you to really understand. Hesitation has a price tag. Every month that you wait to start, you're choosing another month of stress when bills come in. Another month of exhaustion where you're giving your boss the best of you and your kids the leftovers. And another month of telling yourself, someday, while your kids are continuing to grow up without you present. Now flip it. What if you don't start? In a year from now, nothing has changed. You're still tired, you're still stressed, and you're still missing out on those vital moments with your kids. That's the real risk. Not failing, not messing up, but staying exactly where you are. Now let's talk about what digital marketing really is, because sometimes hesitation comes from the lack of knowing what actually it really is that you want to do. Digital marketing is simply this: learning how to use the internet to connect the right people to the right solution. That's it. Think about it. Almost every product that you have or service that you have used, you have found it online. Whether it's a baby monitor, a meal delivery service, paying your bills, or even that Amazon Prime deal that you clicked on but didn't even realize it, and then it got shipped and you're like, holy cow, I forgot, I didn't even know I bought this. Somebody marketed that to you digitally. Now imagine, instead of being one who is buying, you become the one that is earning. You get to put the right solutions in front of the people that are looking for those solutions. The best part is you don't even have to create the product. You don't need a warehouse, and you definitely don't have to chase friends and family. You just learn the skill of marketing, plug into an automated system, and let the internet do the rest for you. It's like building a 24/7 storefront that never closes. And the sooner that you start, the sooner it starts working for you. Here's the real question: how much longer are you going to be willing to hesitate? Because right now, parents all over the world are starting to step into this opportunity. Learning these skills, plugging into automated, and creating financial freedom for the life that they want. I built my business in a way that I only have to work 2 hours a day. I don't bother friends, and I definitely don't beg my family. I don't have to sacrifice my kids' childhood. Instead, I get to be present with them, and I still get to earn an income that pays the bills. This isn't about overnight success. This is about building a foundation that gives you both income and time freedom. And if you're burned out right now, what could be more valuable? Listen, I know that hesitation feels safe, but feeling safe is keeping you stuck. If you're ready to stop trading your life for a paycheck and start building something that gives you back your time, your energy, and your freedom, this is your moment. I'm opening up spots in my 90-day coaching where I walk parents through step-by-step into digital marketing, into automations, and into the 2-hour workday. But my spots are limited, and hesitation hasn't gotten you anywhere yet. So if you're ready, there is a link down below in my description about the Freedom Formula Blueprint that I follow and that I help and teach parents all over the world how to get their lives back. Look over the information, sign up today, and let's start building your freedom together.